CM6000 for machining our wind tower flanges. That's the only application we use it for, but we have 3 or 4 or 5 different clients that we can use it for without having to change the machine significantly. It machines the flanges to within tolerance, and if we can't build them to within tolerance, we can't sell towers. If we didn't have the CM6000, we'd have to have an outside contractor come do the work for us.
It's been over 20 years since we produced our first circular mill, and over those 20 years we continue to refine our milling technology, so the quality of those tools are known for their precision and accuracy, and we drive that quality through the entire organization, whether it's our designs for the products or our service to the customers.
Customers buy the CM6000 because we are the industry leader. It is very easy to set up and it is super powerful.
My name is John Rivelin. I have been here almost a year now. I'm a machinist by trade. They asked me to come here to run their new machine. The CM6000 is very easy to use. You save a lot of time in the changeovers. With the leg configuration and the spacer configuration, they make it to where when we go to different ID sizes on the flanges, it's simple changeovers. Instead of a big leg, it's a small spacer, and it's quicker to adjust spacers than it is full leg swap out.
The main focus that we put on the CM6000 is to allow people to change it from one flange to another in the shortest amount of time. The chugging system improves operation time for the customer because we only have 3 sections that are split up on each leg.
Usually between setup time, if I don't have to change over, if I can pull it up off the ground, load it in a flange, I can get it up and running in usually 30 minutes. It takes 2 people to unload the CM6000. When you load it and unload it, you have a crane operator and you have a guy holding the mill itself, getting fitted into the flange.
They have adjustment screws that screw out to the diameter of the flange that you need. And then as it chucks to the flange, it has also screws that adjust up and down that clamp the foot to the flange.
The machine's repeatability has been excellent. The machine's rugged, and even when it sustains little bumps and bangs that always happen in manufacturing, it still produces a high-quality product. The tool that we're using right now is basically the culmination of all of the requested changes and the design ideas that we've come up with and given to Climax. Everything that we've talked to them about is on this new mill, plus some extra things that we didn't expect. Speed and power, so it's a more powerful machine. The actual cutting time is reduced because the spindle speed is higher and more horsepower is transferred into the flange.
My customers tell me they can rework between 3 and 4 flanges in an 8-hour shift, especially if they're all the same diameter.
It cuts very fast, feed rate's very fast. We're going through a lot more flanges than we thought we would.
Now that we have the CM6000, if there's a welding error or some sort of damage to the flange, we can repair that flange. Instead of scrapping it and cutting off the whole flange, we can machine the flange back to within tolerance, saving the whole tower. Working with Climax has been really good for our company. Not only are they close geographically, but anytime we need their support, they're just a phone call away. And their people are really expert, they're easy to work with, and it's been a pleasure working with Climax.
In the end, they always seem to pick Climax, and that helps. It sort of sets the trend.